Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable Google's safe browsing in Libre browser. Safe browsing helps protect you from malicious websites, phishing attempts, and other online threats. So, let's get right into it. First, make sure you have the Libre browser open on your device. Once the browser is open, head to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines, or the settings icon. This will open the main menu. Click on LibreWolf. This feature might be labeled something like Enable Google Safe Browsing, Protection Against Dangerous Sites, or simply Safe Browsing. Once you find the Safe Browsing option, enable it by toggling the switch or checking the box. This will activate the feature and protect you from malicious websites. After enabling safe browsing, make sure to save your settings. Once saved, you can exit the settings menu. Your Libre browser is now better protected from harmful websites. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google's safe browsing in Libre browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.